Our planet Earth is an incredible place. It's a delicate balance of life-supporting systems, with a climate that has nurtured diverse ecosystems for millennia. However, over the last century, we've observed some worrying changes. The Earth's temperature is rising at an alarming rate, and the consequences are being felt worldwide. From melting glaciers to extreme weather events, the signs are undeniable. The very fabric of our planet's climate is changing, and it's largely due to human activities. Understanding these changes and their causes is crucial for safeguarding the future of our planet. It's time we delve into the science behind these changes and explore the role we play in this global phenomenon called climate change. Climate change refers to the long-term shifts in global temperatures and weather patterns. It's not just about the weather on a particular day, it's about the overall trends we see over decades and centuries. These changes can happen naturally due to volcanic eruptions, variations in solar radiation, and other natural factors. However, the rapid warming we're experiencing now is primarily driven by human activities, particularly the emission of greenhouse gases. These gases act like a blanket around the Earth, trapping heat from the sun and causing the planet to warm up. This phenomenon, known as the greenhouse effect, is essential for life on Earth. However, excessive greenhouse gases lead to an enhanced greenhouse effect, causing the planet to warm at an unnatural and dangerous rate. One of the biggest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions is the burning of fossil fuels. These fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, are formed from the remains of ancient plants and animals buried deep underground for millions of years. When we burn fossil fuels to power our homes, industries, and vehicles, we release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The problem is, we rely heavily on fossil fuels, and our demand for energy keeps growing. This dependence on fossil fuels is significantly altering the composition of our atmosphere, leading to a buildup of greenhouse gases and, ultimately, climate change. Forests play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis, acting as natural carbon sinks. They help maintain the balance of greenhouse gases and keep our planet cool. However, deforestation, primarily driven by agriculture, logging, and urbanization, is stripping away vast stretches of forests worldwide. When trees are cut down or burned, they release the stored carbon back into the atmosphere, further contributing to the greenhouse effect. Deforestation not only removes these crucial carbon sinks but also disrupts ecosystems, reduces biodiversity, and impacts local weather patterns. It's a double whammy for the planet, exacerbating climate change and its consequences. While burning fossil fuels and deforestation are major contributors to climate change, several other human activities also play a significant role. Agriculture, for instance, is a major source of methane and nitrous oxide emissions, both potent greenhouse gases. Livestock farming, in particular, releases significant amounts of methane through their digestive processes. Industrial processes, such as cement production and the manufacturing of chemicals, also release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Even waste management, particularly the decomposition of organic waste in landfills, produces methane, contributing to the problem. The consequences of a warming planet are far-reaching and impact every corner of the globe. Rising global temperatures are causing glaciers and ice caps to melt at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels. This rise in sea level threatens coastal communities, infrastructure, and ecosystems worldwide. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, floods, and heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense, causing widespread damage and displacement. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns are disrupting ecosystems, threatening biodiversity, and impacting agriculture. The delicate balance of our planet's life-supporting systems is being disrupted, with potentially catastrophic consequences for all living creatures, including ourselves. Climate change is a complex issue, but understanding the basics is crucial for addressing it effectively. We now know that human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, are the primary drivers of this global crisis. The consequences of inaction are dire, but we still have a chance to mitigate the worst effects and create a sustainable future. By transitioning to cleaner energy sources, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, protecting our forests, and adopting sustainable practices, we can collectively make a difference. It's time we acknowledge our role in climate change and take responsibility for our actions. The future of our planet depends on it.